tell you something today. The message for today. You know what I'm saying? Let me tell you something. Get yourself an easy target. If you're out here trying to do some love work, you know what I'm saying? Get yourself an easy target. You know what I'm saying? Here it goes. If you had an auction to buy a house, I'm going to give you a common sense analogy. If you had an auction to buy a house, right? You want to get the house with the least amount of maintenance. You know what I'm saying? You want to be fucking having to install new rafters in the house. You know what I'm saying? You want to store, put new fucking, joists in the fucking floor. You want the house with the least amount of maintenance. So with the lover, you want the motherfucker with the least amount of problems, the least amount of complications. You want a motherfucker that's going to be easy as fucking hell to maintain. You know what I'm saying? You don't got to worry about this dude putting up resistance. You know what I'm saying? You want a motherfucker that's going to obey and comply with what you doing. You know what I'm saying? Why do you got to get all the, the thing is like this, sometimes we make it harder on ourselves because, you know what I'm saying, we like the harder targets. You know what I'm saying? See, for me, when I used to do work for myself, I remember I had an ex at one point in time where every week I was sending the motherfucker away. Boom, I let this nigga go. I sent this dude away. Now here goes another motherfucker coming out of nowhere. You know what I'm saying? So as a person who's been through this, man, and I've been doing this a pretty long time, start looking for easier targets. You know what I'm saying? The motherfucker with all this baby mama drama, you know what I'm saying? The nigga got mad girls on the side, man. You know what I'm saying? Do yourself a favor. Find someone else, find someone new that doesn't have all that shit. You know what I mean? Okay, the nigga bring out, just find a dude that's not out there. Get a Poindexter, a nigga that's in college. You know what I'm saying? Or, you know what I'm saying? Or a dude that works, he ain't got no bitches, you know what I'm saying? To get a corny nigga. You know what I'm saying? Come on, y'all ladies after these flamboyant, a motherfucker, a flamboyant player, but you still want to deal with the nigga. Get a motherfucker with a good job. That's not all into the club life. That's not all into that flash, and that's not all into that motherfucking fast life. Y'all wouldn't be out here wondering why the fuck you say this, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. Because, that's the type of nigga you selecting. Get a nigga with a good job. Get a nigga that loves his family. Get a nigga that loves family structure, that loves his mama, you know what I'm saying? Get a nigga like that. That motherfucker with all that gold on, all that jewelry on. Listen, I'm that type of nigga you don't want to get with. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all ladies, don't get a nigga that be acting like me. Don't get a nigga that be looking like me. Get a motherfucker that's clean cut, that goes to church, or that even just got a good job. He just go to work and that's it. He don't play the streets. He don't play all these friend shit. Yo, get a nigga like that. Get a low maintenance nigga. That's all I gotta say for today. I gotta finish cleaning up my goddamn bathroom.